Gonzalez, Doki, and Laurel. Exclusive courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports. We're live on Studio 23. Balls Channel 34 with the replays. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Ateneo, a 6-point lead, looking very loose. I'll go back to your point.
Yeah.
They look really loose at the start of this game, which is not what we expected from atmosphere like this.
That's right. Because like what I said, no more excuses for them this time. No, hindi pwede sabihin na rookies ba sila or they're not used to this kind of pressure. In fact, based on their opponent, they're the much more experienced squad, the more veteran squad. No touch. Ateneo gets the point.
And there's a lot of talking of the net too, which is what we like to see.
Again, remember, Galang is a rookie.
Yep.
And in situations...
That's a tough one. That's a tough one. Now, you know that they're going to target Jem Ferrer when she's there at the front line and blocking and all of that.
That's true. Unlikely service error from Jem Ferrer.
Dominant LaSalle team, 13-0, only dropping 6 sets. They're the best spiking team, best blocking team, best serving team, also the best receiving team in the league.
Wow.
That's how dominant they've been this year. The rookie Galang down the line, puts it away.
Great recognition by Galang, saying that, seeing that there's a huge hole down the line. Ayun, kitang-kita, ang laki ng butas. So easy for her to bring that ball to the corner.
12 serving, 17. LaSalle also has not lost a set in the second round.
Wow.
They have owned Ateneo 8 straight times, 9 if you count that game that included what they said was the Jack Alarca forfeiture.
Yes.
And Ateneo gets that point.
Maraño has had a couple of attack errors in this game. Hasn't really had cleanly. Ooh.
It's also tough from our angle. There looks like there's a shadow getting the line, but we don't know that. Second best
wala
spiker.
Kasing challenge sa ano eh.
Wala.
Oh! Cha Cruz has been having some difficulties with her reception. Remember the first point that she was also at fault in her reception.
She's 6th best in terms of receiving. Probably, I dare say, and we've said this the last couple of years, Doc, she's probably the best all-around player there is.
That is so true.
And you look at her history. As a LaSalle player, she started, utility, setter,
that's true.
Open hitter, nag-middle pa.
Plays beach volleyball.
Yeah, plays beach volleyball. But right now, it is Ateneo that is rolling with an 8-point lead.
Paano klase na serve yung hindi nakikita mo outside o inside? Going. Kasi paano ka pumayos sa bola? Late ka na eh. Pagbaba na yung bola bago ka makapwesto. Hindi mo malalaman kung inside o outside yan. Di ba? Hindi ganun. Kayo nagko-concentrate kayo sa kasama nyo eh. Mag-concentrate sa kalaban nyo kung anong ginagawa. Yung sinasabi ng kasama nyo, yun ang inintindi. Yung ginagawa ng kalaban nyo, intindihin nyo. Anong ginagalaw niyan?
Will LaSalle be able to get the monkey off their back in terms of finally sweeping a season? That's the question here. Last game of the elimination round, and there are still things undecided. If we go to a Final Four, LaSalle takes #1 spot. They'll go up against the #4 team, which, by the way, is still undecided.
Hindi pa alam hanggang ngayon.
Adamson and FEU will go at it for that 4th spot. Ateneo will go up against UST in the Final Four.
Ooh!
Overcooked.
That's right. Zihar Vasho was underneath the ball, so no angle for her to work with.
Abigail Maraño. Bicolana pala. Combination play. Cha Cruz saves it.
Now it's a free ball.
Easy over. Great combination play. Wow, Gretchen. Oh, wow. You see that play a lot, but you don't see her put strength behind that a lot.
Alam mo, sumabit pa sa net to eh. Kung hindi nakasabit sa net, mas maganda pa yung angle ng palo ni Gretchen. But again, Jem Ferrer, look at the control that she has. Waited for the fake of Zihar Vasho.
The rookie also puts too much muscle behind the serve. 14 serving, 21.
It's just the adrenaline in these girls right now.
You're right. Ako nga, kinakabahan. Nararamdaman mo nag-pregame eh, kinikilabot ka. I mean, this is just collegiate
That's
sports
true.
at its best as
Outside.
they
So
called
bad.
that one outside.
Wow,
Why?
back-to-back service error. You know what? That is so true. You know, especially in a sport that has been waiting
I
to
think-
be on the mainstream
Yes.
again.
And I think this year, Doc, we have won a lot of casual fans.
Yeah, that is so
I
true.
see a lot of faces. I was talking to a lot of the audience members earlier. Zia Basho commits a service error. And this is their first time to watch.
Wow,
To watch a game, a volleyball game live.
that's true.
It's school spirit now that they're here.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
sometimes that's how it is. You get introduced to it. You get see, wait,
true.
exciting pala.
Exciting pala.
And then you start following
Now
it.
you know.
Yeah, I see a lot of high school students,
That's
even
true.
Poveda.
That's true.
They're in uniform here. Some of
Wow.
the players watching this game. Phil tried to go for the check.
And these are their idols. You know, ito na, nagkakaroon na sila ng following. You know, the younger players now have players who emulate.
You're right.
And when they get into this collegiate
Ba't di ka
level.
ba in-idolize nung
Wala.
naglalaro ka?
Alam mo, yun nga ang pinanghihinayangan ko.
Ako, idol kita dati
Yung
pa eh.
pinanghihinayangan ko eh. Bakit ba walang nakapag-isip?
Bata pa ako, idol na kita, Doc.
O hindi, pinakikinggan na kita nun.
Another long rally here. Cruz, unable to put it away. Yes, she does.
Late yung habol ni Gretchenov for the block. That's why Cha Cruz drove it cross-court. Ateneo not able to keep it in play. Ayun, ito mo, Gretchenov a bit
Yes,
too late
yes.
in catching up with a double block.
Again, you need a point. Captain will deliver. Gumabaw, Michelle. Good serve. Again, they've been targeting Valdez.
Yes.
Sadya po yan dun sa mga nanonood ngayon po lamang. Yung mga pag-serve po na pumupunta sa particular player, hindi po pa chamba-chamba
That's
yan.
true, that's true. Those are
Tinatarget po
targeted
yan.
serves. Those are guided serves, no?
Correct.
Even the strength, even the trajectory.
Iniiwas sa libero.
That's true.
Gretchen Ho, one of the more popular Ateneo players. 2 points away from copying the first set. Ferrer opens up to Kainglet. Puts it away!
Wow, Jen Ferrer was fading away when she gave out that set. So that was all upper body strength. And look at Phil Kainglet just split the block and get that point.
Here's another girl who played basketball when she was young.
Gretchen was targeting this area from the
Kanina,
very
kanina,
dyan din niya dinadala. But this time she tried to target our second referee, si Lumar Pajarillo, muntik ng tamaan.
Buti na siya kesa tayo.
Malayo-layo pa tayo. Si Larry muna.
Ooh! And they give away a point.
Ooh!
Just like their first meeting, the first set goes to Ateneo, which doesn't really mean anything in a game like
That's
this.
true.
Doc.
That is
The
so
only
true.
thing that it means is you get a foot ahead.
That's true. And again, the service errors, we were talking about that earlier, that seems to be still a factor for the DLSU game.
Back in a moment for the second set.